Now we're going to start with a hot pan, then some butter. Usually you can use any butter here. I'm using actually is the buttercup butter. So just a bit of that. And then just spread it. So this butter is assumed to be cholesterol free. I just buy this in the grocery store. You can use any butter. You can actually use olive oil as well. So spread that pan. Then we're going to put the garlic. So we'll have to heat this up a bit. And make sure you don't burn the butter. And we'll add the garlic. Now, here's the garlic. Now we added the garlic. Let it cook. You can see. And then after that simmers a bit, we'll add the onions. So I chopped up some onions. You don't have to cut them in like little minced pieces. You can cut them in like round pieces. Then after the onion and garlic is cooked more, you add this one. Now these are frozen mixed veggies that I added. I bought this in SM, in the groceries. You can buy this in a lot of groceries as well. And here's the contents. There's like carrots, peas, corn, and then you'll add just a bit. Just a bit, not too much. And then you mix it up. Then after letting it simmer, as you can see, we're going to put the scrambled eggs. So we whisked some eggs with a bit of salt. So it's iodized salt, but you can put less seasoning. I just put iodized salt because a bit of salt would be good. And then better to put it on high heat. So the egg will be cooking, and then after you cook it, you're actually going to whisk it. Then wait a few more seconds again, and then let it cook again. Then you whisk it. So it's better in high heat because the egg will be cooked quickly. And then you flip a bit of it so that the uncooked egg will be mixed. And turn off the gas stove, and there you have it.